Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to insert an SD card to your Redmi 14C. So if you want to expand your storage on your Redmi 14C, you can simply insert an SD card, on your device. Now to insert an SD card, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is have the SIM ejector tool. Here it is. And then next thing is to locate the SIM card tray on this device. So the SIM card tray is located at the top left corner of the phone. So here it is. So all you have to do is simply insert the SIM ejector tool within this SIM card hole to remove the SIM card tray. So let's just do that. And then insert it. And then once you see the SIM card tray pop out, you can simply remove it. So let's just remove it. And once you remove it, you will see an SD card slot. So here's the SD card slot whereby you can put your SD card. So the next thing is simply grab your SD card and then place it on the SIM card tray. So there you go. Then once you've placed your SD card on the SIM tray, all you have to do is simply insert the SIM card tray back to your Redmi 14C. So let's just insert it back. And then apply some gentle pressure and insert it and ensure that the SIM card tray is flush with your device. Then once you're done, you can simply unlock your phone. So let me just close that. And then swipe down from the top right corner or the top left corner to access the notification, and you should see this option, SD card, or that particular SD card has been inserted on your device. Alternatively, you can confirm this by going to the settings. And then within the settings, select About Phone. And then choose Storage. And then within the storage settings, scroll down and you should see that you have inserted your SD card. And here you should see a brief description of what your SD card is all about. So that's basically it on how to insert an SD card to your Redmi 14C. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.